Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Scholar Tech Studio. In this video, I will teach you most effective and easy way to convert a 3D model into STL file for 3D printing. Okay, let's suppose I want to convert this model into STL file so that I can use this STL file for 3D printing. Okay, so you can use any software, any CAD software to create your 3D model. Like I use the SolidWorks to create 3D model of this gear, and now I want to convert this model into STL file. Okay, so now we need to save, and here we have to select the option save as. Okay, under the save as option, here we have to specify the folder where we want to create the STL file. Let's suppose I select the desktop, and here you can specify the name. Okay, and here you can find the option save as type. So we will open this, and here you can find the STL file format. Okay, and then we have go to the option. Okay, so under the option here we can see that this is STL file, and here you have to check the units. If you are working here in millimeters, then here it must be in millimeter, and if you are working in 3D model in other units like centimeter, meter, inches and feet, then you have to specify the unit from here. So this unit and the unit of this file must be same. Okay, and here you can see that there are different resolution option. If you will select the codes, then you can see that it's not smooth, so we have to select this option fine. Okay, and then set OK, and then we just need to click on save. Okay, so here you can see that our model is converted into STL file or mesh file. We just need to click yes. Okay, now I can open my STL file. The file is created on the desktop, so we go to open, and here we have to select the desktop, and here we have to find the STL file. So this is the STL file. We just need to open this STL file. See, you can see this is our STL file or mesh file. This can be used in any 3D printing machine. So you just need to import this STL file into 3D printing, and in this way you can easily convert your 3D model into STL file ready for 3D printing. If you like my video, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.